AC, AC, AC. We have lots of AC for sale. We have the all the brand AC available and all capacity AC also available. We have 1 ton AC, 1.5 ton, 2 ton, 2.5 ton, and 3 ton AC also available. We have lots of AC for sale. We are selling with the warranty and installation, and also available with the 4-meter pipe, and we have a lots of AC right now available. You can visit our shop in Tubli. Shop timing is 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. between you can come, and also we are giving a trusted warranty with the bill. We are from Bangladesh. If you need AC, please contact us. This is our number.